So here it is. The video everyone's been looking for, the GoPro footage of Justin Barcia's bike coming up on Justin Bogle and taking him out. Apparently, the overall reaction is Justin Barcia is the worst rider ever and everyone hates him and he's super dirty and da-da-da-da-da. Just tons and tons and tons of comments about that. But as you can see, he's obviously faster. I mean, yes, you have to make quote-unquote clean passes, but from right there, it doesn't look like he really runs Bogle that far up the hill. And then this is the, obviously, bam, there's Justin Bogle taking him out in response. And I put this little video right here. As you can see, there's Justin Bogle sitting right on the left of the track. And he doesn't look like he's racing. He obviously is like, he's pulled over to the side of the track, stopped, looking backwards, and looking straight at Justin Bogle, or Justin Barcia. It's kind of one of those like, did he really not mean to do it, quote unquote? Or no, I'm pretty sure he meant to do it. And he was just looking back saying, yep, here it is. And the funniest thing too is a bunch of people are saying, oh, he totally didn't mean to, it was a mistake, it was mechanical, blah, blah, blah. I'm pretty sure there's an interview with him fully saying, like, I'm a man, I take responsibility for what I did, and I know I shouldn't have done it, but I paid the fine and it's over. I'm pretty sure he fully admitted to doing it. Like, there's no way he didn't know that that was Justin Barcia coming back at him, and even if he didn't know, he had to have heard someone to his left. Like, every one of these races you hear people talk about, oh, they know exactly where the bike is, you can hear them, you can hear the different engines. He had to know somebody was directly to his left, and there was no way, even if it was somebody who hadn't taken him out, if it wasn't Barcia, if it was anybody else, the 22nd placed guy, there's no reason that he would have like been straight and just cut straight across that corner. He would have had his wheel cranked to the right so he could have gone down the actual track. But I don't know. You tell me in the comments down below. Do you think this helps at all? Do you think this hurts anything? Whatever you want to say. I'll see you later. Peace.